Hello everyone. Now I am going to explain about installation. Sir, I want to install the React environment in my system. What are the steps, sir? First step, install the Node.js software. Is a pretty much standard nowadays, sir. If you want to work with any JavaScript library, whether it is a Bootstrap, whether it is a jQuery, whether it is a Angular, whether it is a React, Vue, what is the first software we should have, sir? Node.js software. Node.js software. Sir, from where I need to download? Nodejs.org/en/downloads. So let us see. Let me show you that. Nodejs/en/download. So you can see nodejs.org/en/download. So there are 32-bit version is there, 64-bit version is there. Use a Windows MSI. Click on 32-bit version or 64-bit version based on your convenience, based on your system, sir, based on your system architecture. Sir, I downloaded the software. There is no rocket science. Next. It will install the Node.js software in your system. Next one, install the create React-app library. So React is a configuration wise, it takes so much things, sir. That is why we don't need to configure manually. React people provided one simple command. What is the one, sir? Create React app. It is used to create the project. It is used to create the project. So right now, what is the first step? Install the Node.js software. Next one, install the create React app library. So for this one, what is the command I am going to use, sir? npm install -g create React app. So very simple, npm install -g create app. So this is the command I'm going to execute. So for your reference, I'm going to do cmd. See, sir, command prompt is open. Now I am typing the command npm install -g create React-app. So the React app related library related code will be downloaded, and it automatically configures the library in our system. So once we install this one, we can create the project. So let us see project related commands. So how can I create a project and execute the project, such kind of thing? So let us see first one, project related commands. First one, creating the project. Creating the project. So very simple. Open the command prompt. Open the command prompt. Second one, execute the command. Execute the command. Sir, what is the command I need to execute? So very simple. Create -react app project name. So observe, create React app and the project name is example1. So automatically React will create the project and configures the project for you. Means it will create the project structure for you, as well as it will download all the dependent libraries like react.js, or likewise there are so many libraries are there internally used by React, which will be downloaded and it will be configured in your system. Sir, okay, I created the project. I want to execute the project. I want to execute the project. What is the command, sir? So same thing, in the project execute npm start. Automatically it will execute the project. Automatically it will execute the project. Third one, sir, I want to test my project. Sir, I want to run all the test cases of my project. So very simple, npm test. So it will automatically test your project. Means it automatically execute all your test cases. Sir, okay. Sir, I want to build the project. I want to build the project, sir. What is the command? npm build. So these are the basic commands related to the project we frequently use in our development time. So create the project, execute the project, test the project, and build the project. So npm build. So these are the things everyone should try in your machine. So install the software as well as and the corresponding project related commands. Thank you.